No more threading tears. Bernette B68 Airlock Serger honest review after 100 plus projects. Hey, real talk. How many times have you looked at your serger, sighed, and just walked away because threading those damn loopers felt like defusing a bomb? I did that for years. Last month, I literally wasted 45 minutes rethreading after one thread break. Does that sound like your sewing life too? Drop a yes in the comments if you feel my pain. I tried everything. Tweezers, magnifying glasses, YouTube tutorials at 0.5 times speed, even taping the threading diagram to my forehead. Nothing worked reliably. My old serger turned every project into a battle, and I started avoiding knits altogether because the seams always looked wavy and cheap. I knew there had to be a machine that didn't punish you for wanting professional finishes without losing your mind. Then I got the Bernette B68 Airlock. First session, I kid you not, I threaded all 5 threads in under 60 seconds using nothing but the air button. No tweezers, no swearing, no prayer. Just push, whoosh, done. That alone felt like cheating. But then I started sewing. 1,300 stitches per minute is no joke. I knocked out 4 t-shirts in one afternoon. The differential feed completely eliminated wavy lettuce edges on jersey, finally flat, stretchy seams that look store-bought. The adjustable presser foot pressure meant my thick denim layers fed perfectly, while chiffon didn't pucker either. The micro thread control, MTC, keeps tension perfect even when I switch from cotton to swimwear in the same project. And the 5 bright LED lights? I can actually see what I'm doing at night without a separate lamp. The bundle even came with decent scissors, a rotary cutter, good threads, and a proper cutting mat. Everything I needed to start immediately. This isn't just a serger, it's the machine that removed every excuse I had for half-finished projects. Look, I'm not the only one saying this. Sewing instructors I trust are switching their classrooms to the B68 because students actually learn technique instead of spending the whole session threading. Pattern designers running small businesses call it their daily workhorse. Even the skeptics on forums who swore air threading is a gimmick are posting apology videos after trying it. Thousands of sewists agree the airlock system legitimately works every single time. Yeah, it's not the cheapest serger out there, but when you calculate how much time and sanity my old machine stole, the B68 has already paid for itself in the first 2 months. Learning curve? Honestly, easier than my previous serger because you're not fighting the threading. Most people are sewing confidently within a weekend. The feature that shocked me most wasn't even the air threading, it was the adjustable presser foot pressure dial. I didn't realize how much my old machine was crushing delicate fabrics until I dialed it down and watched chiffon float through perfectly. That one knob turned good results into "holy crap, did I make that?" results. Imagine sitting down to sew and actually enjoying every minute. No dread, no threading trauma, just clean, fast, professional finishes that make your handmade clothes look better than ready to wear. That's my reality now with the Bernette B68 Airlock. If you're tired of fighting your serger or avoiding one altogether, this is the machine that finally makes overlocking fun again. Full disclosure, this video contains affiliate links, but I'd recommend it even if it didn't. Link below if you want to check specs or grab the same bundle. Your future self will thank you.